Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So in the previous class we have learned about polynomials, and we have done few questions based on the exercises. Okay, so we are continuing exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. So we have already done with question number 1, 2 and 3. The question number 1 was find the value of the polynomial. They have given you certain expression and you have to substitute at the place of x0, -1, 2, 1 by 2 and so on. And your second question was find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the following polynomials, and they have given you polynomials and then you have to find out p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 and so on, right? Third also we have completed. Let us move to the next question, question number 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. So your fourth question, first one is f of x is equals to x plus 2. So in this you have to find out the 0 of the polynomial, right? So how you will find out? Whenever you are finding the 0 of the polynomial, the equation should be equals to 0. So here it means x plus 2 is equals to 0. If I am sending plus to that side, it will be what? -2. That's it. Okay, you just need to find out the 0 of the polynomial. Here -2 is nothing but the 0 of the polynomial. Let us see one more question. F of x is equals to x minus 2. Okay, so whenever you are finding 0 of the polynomial, this expression should be equals to 0. So x minus 2 is equals to 0. If I am sending -2 that side, it will become plus 2. X is equals to 2 is nothing but the 0 of the polynomial. So this is very easy questions. Okay, similarly you have to do for f of x is equals to 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3, x square. F of x is equals to px, and I'll show you one more question. F of x in seventh one, f of x is equals to px plus q. Okay, this one you need to find the 0 of the polynomial when p and q are real numbers. So it means anyhow this expression px plus q is equals to 0. Plus q I am sending that side, it will become px is equals to -2. So x is equals to p, this is in numerator, it will go in denominator, minus q by p. So x is equals to minus q by p is nothing but the 0 of the polynomial, right? Let us move to question number 5. Yes, our next question is if 2 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, find the value of a. Here they have already mentioned that 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, right? So it means p of x is equals to what? P of x is equals to what? P of x is nothing but your equation 2x square minus 3x plus 7, right? So here they said that p of 2 is nothing but is equals to 0 because they said that 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. So what is your equation? P of x 2x square minus 3x plus 7a is equals to 0. P of 2 means in the place of x we have to substitute 2, right? 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a is equals to 0. 2 2 is a 4. 2 into 4 minus 3 2 is a 6 plus 7a is equals to 0. 2 4 is a how much? 8. 8 minus 6 plus 7a is equals to 0. So 8 minus 6, 2. 2 plus 7a is equals to 0. If I am sending plus to that side, it will become -2. So 7a is equals to -2 and a is equals to -2 by 7. So the value of a is what? -2 by 7. Okay, right? So here in the question they said that p of 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. That's why we said p of 2 is equals to 0. Here in the place of x we have to substitute 2. So 2 2 is a how much? 4. 3 2 is a how much? 6. 2 4 is a 8. 3 2 is a 6 plus 7a as it is. 8 minus 6 2. 2 plus 7a is equals to 0. Plus 2 I am sending that side will become -2. A is equals to -2 by 7. This is the solution of your equation question. Okay, let us move to question number 6. So your question number 6 is if 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, then find the values of a and b. So given already they have given you our equation f of x is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Also in the question they said that f of 0, 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. It means f of 0, first we will substitute f of 0. So this will become, in the place of x we will substitute 0. 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b, right? So this is nothing but 0 cube is 0 and something is multiplied with 0 is always 0. So 3 into 0 is 0 again, plus a into 0 is 0 plus b. So whole, this is f of 0 is equals to what? B. So therefore b is equals to what? 0. Now we got the value of b. Also they said that f of 1 is also a 0 of the polynomial, right? So f of 1, let us see f of 1. So in the place of x we are substituting 1. 2, 1 cube is what? 1, right? Minus 3, 1 square is what? 1. Plus a into 1 is a plus b, right? So f of 0 is, f of 1 is nothing but 0. So 0 is equals to 2 1s are 2 minus 3 1s are 3 plus a is same, right? And b we got it as 0, right? So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So 0 is equals to minus 1 plus a. So this minus 1 I am sending that side. What's the value of a? A is nothing but 1. Right? So here, see in the question what we have done. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, okay, whenever they are giving you zeros of the polynomial, it means that f of 0 is equals to 0, f of 1 is equals to 0, right? So here we are doing the same thing. In the place of x we are substituting 0 first. Anything which is multiplied with 0 is 0. So this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0. So what's the value of b? Finally we'll get 0, right? Next, f of 1. In the place of x we are substituting 1. 1 cube is 1. 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. So 2 minus 3 is how much? 2 minus 3 is minus 1, right? Here anyhow b is 0. So a into 1 is a. So minus 1 I am sending that side, it is becoming plus 1. So a is equals to 1. So here the value of a is 1, the value of b is 0. By this we have completed this exercise. Let us move to exercise, next exercise. Right. So before going to exercise 2.3, let us learn first remainder theorem. Remainder theorem is nothing but let p of x be any polynomial of degree n, any polynomial, okay? And if it is divided by any linear polynomial x minus a, then p of a is nothing but the remainder. This is nothing but remainder theorem, most important to do exercise 2.3. So your first question in exercise 2.3 is, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Okay, so it means that this is nothing but your p of x, right? And this is nothing but x minus a. It means x plus 1, right? So how we will get, what we have to do? We have to find p of minus 1, f of minus 1. See here, x plus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to plus 1, I am sending that side, it will become minus 1, right? So now what we will do? P of minus 1. So in the place of x we have to substitute minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Anyhow minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So this will be minus 1. Minus into minus plus, 3 1s are 3. Plus into minus minus, 3 1s are 3 plus 1. So here minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled. So p of n1 is minus 1 is nothing but 0. Okay. So here what is the remainder here? Remainder is nothing but 0. Similarly, you have to solve for another questions. X minus 1 by 2, x plus pi, 5 plus 2x. We'll do 5 plus 2x next. Okay, so here 5 plus 2x is nothing but, which is divisible by, your p of x is nothing but, what is p of x? P of x is nothing but x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So this is divided by x plus 2x, right? So here x plus 2x is equals to 0. Plus 5 I am sending that side, will become minus 5. So x is nothing but minus 5 by 2. Okay, now we will substitute in the place of x, we will substitute minus 5 by 2. So p of minus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1, right? Next, Anyhow, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. So minus 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125, right? So 125 divided by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus into minus plus. Anyhow, 5 5s are 25 by 4. Plus into minus, minus 5 3s are 15. 15 by 2 plus 1. So here minus 125 by 8 plus 25 3s are 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6 7. 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. What will be the LCM? LCM will be anyhow 8, right? 8 is the highest one, right? So minus 125 plus 75, 4 2s are 8, right? So 75 into 2 minus 15, 2 4s are 8 plus 8. Okay. Next, minus 125 plus 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14, right? So it is nothing but 150. 75 2s are 150. Right, minus 15 4s are 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 60. 15 4s are 60 plus 8 by 8. Okay, so we have to do simple calculation. Minus 125 plus 150 is how much? 25. 25 minus 60. 25 minus 60 how much? 25 minus 60 plus 8 divided by 8. Yes. So 25 plus 8 is how much? 33. 33. 60 minus 33 minus 60 is how much? Minus 27 by 8. So your answer is minus 27 by 8. Okay. This is nothing but the remainder when it is divided by minus 5 by 2. From the starting, we'll see again 5 plus 2x is not. We have to divide expression p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by 5 plus 2x. So 5 plus 2x is equals to 0, 2x is equals to plus 5. I am sending that side. It is becoming minus 5, x is equals to minus 5 by 2. And we are substituting in the place of x minus 5 by 2. Okay. So here x cube minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 x square minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. 125 by 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Minus into minus plus into minus minus. Plus into minus again, no, plus in minus into minus plus because it is square, right? So again plus. 5 5 is 25 divided by 4. Minus 5 3 is 15, 15 by 2 plus 1. So minus 125 by 8 plus 75, 25 3 is how much? 75. 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. So as we can see that these are all multiples of 2 and 8 is the highest one. So we are taking 8 here. 125, 8 means 1s are, right? So 125 plus 75. 4 2s are how much? 8. So that's why into 2 minus 15 to 4s are 8. That's why into 4 plus 1 8s are 8. So minus 125 plus 75 2s are 50, 150 minus 15 4s are 60 plus 8. So minus 125 plus 150 is 25. 25 minus 60 plus 8. 25 plus 8, 33. 33 minus 60 is nothing but 27. So minus 27 by 8 is nothing but your answer. Okay.